Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. C back here at Bristol Elementary to talk to you about what recess will look like this school year. It will look different from what you are used to in the past. Now, we'll still get to go outside and we'll still get to play with friends. However, we'll be playing with friends in our class and our class only. If you have lunch first, then you will be going to recess. If you have recess first, then you'll come inside and do lunch. They'll be back to back like they were in the past. One of the differences will be that only one classroom will be released to go outside to recess at a time, and you will have assigned doors that you will be entering and exiting from. Once you're outside, the playground has been broken up into 4 different sections this school year. Your classroom will be assigned one of those 4 sections or quadrants for the entire duration of your recess. So the entire time you're outside, you are not allowed to play in one of the other classrooms quadrants. So I'll show you some pictures here so you understand a little bit more what that might look like. So for example, let's say your class is outside and you're assigned the blacktop. Now the blacktop is divided into 2 different areas. You'll see a line that's painted across like that, which will actually be on the ground when you get outside. And there'll be 2 sections. There'll be section A and then section B up here. Section A is the area or the first section that has the basketball hoops. It has the 4 square area. And then another class might be over on the other side on section B, and they have the kickball field and the tetherball poles and a couple other areas out there as well. Now, the recess teacher who was with you at lunch will also be outside with you, or the one who's outside with you will also be inside with you for lunch. Again, the same teacher will be with you the entire time. So these are 2 of the different areas that your class may be assigned. Again, if you're on A today, you cannot go to B until whenever your class is assigned. If you're on B, you may not come over and play on side A. You can play with your friends on your side, but we're not going to cross over and join friends in different classrooms. The other 2 areas are the playground, and those are broken up into 2 separate areas as well. Here's some images that will help you understand. There's a side over here and a side over there divided by the sidewalk and some dots that are painted on the walkway as well. So one side has the swings and it has this jungle gym climbing thing over here that you can play on. And then the other side has these climbing structures, the rock wall, has a gaga ball pits, and also has the donut. So those are the different areas. So we have 4 different areas that your classroom will be assigned. You will be assigned to 1 area per day, and then you get to rotate and go to a new area the next day. We'll be staying and playing with our friends in our class and our friends in our class only. And when you are in your assigned area, you may not cross over and go into the other area until it is your assigned day. Again, there's 2 areas on the playground, 2 areas on the blacktop, and that's what recess will look like this year. Now, you may have extra recesses that your teacher coordinates for you. That will look potentially a little bit different than what recess and lunch a recess looks like. And your teacher will give you the guidelines and explain to you what that looks like when you're able to have an extra recess. Right now, we're just trying to make sure everyone comes in and understands what school will look like and how to stay as safe as possible. All right, friends, again, if you have any questions about recess, ask your teacher. They may be able to help you out. And if not, we'll get answers for you. We're all learning together. Bye, guys.